G'day guys, we're back here on our Moffat Beach project and things are flying along. So we've finally got the job in a position where all of our scaffolding down the right hand side of the building has all come down. The building is looking unbelievable. So the guys have done a great job installing all the cladding. The painters have done an awesome job of getting all our Q-Tech coatings on. And the outside of the house is looking absolutely awesome. We're just moving on now. We've got a copper awning roof going on the front of the building that's going to happen this week. So we're so excited about that, to see all that come together. It's been a lot of work to get it to this stage. And currently we've got everyone starting to do all the works inside. So the waterproof has been waterproofed, all the wet areas. We've currently got the drains blocked up and we're doing our water testing of the floors. We do that on all of our projects. That way we make sure that our showers don't leak before we do any bedding or tiling. And then the painter's been on site for the last couple of weeks, or a few weeks I should say, getting stuck into the sanding. So because we had all that issues with the panels and a lot of damage and stuff from the way they were delivered, it is taking a lot of work. So we're basically hand sanding with orbital sanders, belt sanders, you name it, all the walls and ceilings of this project. And I tell you what, they're doing a fantastic job together with all their preparation work and then the Q-Tech coatings. It's absolutely coming up a treat. On top of that, we've had the internal joinery starting to be installed. So what can be installed is done. And now we've had our templates taken for all of our stone tops. And now over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the stone tops will go in, which will tie in well with the tiler. He'll be able to wrap up the tiling while he's on site. And yeah, we're getting really close to the pointy end of this project. So stay tuned, because it's all starting to come together.